How to create and use the Levels layer. After importing your image, go to the base of the layer dock and click on the Adjustment Layer option. Scroll to the Levels option and click on it to select it. Once selected, the Levels panel opens up, allowing you to make adjustments. Dragging from the left to the right makes the image darker. Dragging from the right to the left makes the image brighter. The slider in the middle creates a balance to the adjustments whether to the right or the left. You can also make adjustments based on selected colors.